Next we have is the image upload field. You can insert the image upload field to let your form fillers upload any image in different formats like PNG, JPG, etc. in the form. In the field option, you can see an option called File Upload Message. Here you can type in the message that you want to display in the field. For example, we have typed in drop your file here or click here to upload, so you can type in similar messages. Next one is the upload limit message. This tells users how many files can be uploaded particularly. Moving on, we have the allowed file extension. Here you can restrict to only allow certain types of images such as PNG, BMP, etc. You can enter the multiple extensions separated by the comma. Further, there is maximum file size. Here, enter the maximum file size in megabytes to allow. If this option is left blank, the value defaults to the maximum size the server allows. Next we have is the maximum number limit on uploads. This allows you to enter the number of image uploads for the field. And under the advanced option, you can see store file in WordPress media library. So you can check this option to store the final uploaded file in the WordPress media library. And lastly, you can make other changes as per your requirement.